I picked this up too quickly one day, and the handle came off because a bug crawled out from under it. It smelled like a schoolgirl. I dropped it and I broke the tip off of the male cock, as this is called. Let's see, this looks like it's the right size. So let's go find a wrench for this. Well, I cannot find my crescent wrench, so I had to search double long. This sucker is 9/16, it appears. Let's see if it fits this guy too. Good, okay, thank goodness. Please don't let me reverse through. Oh, right through the back window of the car. That would be awesome. Alright, so let's go this way. There we go. Okay. No wonder this thing leaked. Okay, this one's a different design. Step one, see if it fits. Looks like the same thread. Okay. Alright, so let's go get... Sucker is a tight fit, I'll give it that. Alright, now, the way you put this tape on is you want to tighten into it. So make sure we get the right one here. So a little dab of it. Let's go around about 1.5 times. So I saw on the internet. And just wrap it around. Okay. It's not binding, but it is very tight, which worries me. I've got to be honest, because it's not binding up. Wow, that is going to be right on the ground. Okay, that's as tight as she's going in, boys. Alright, let's fire her up and see if she still holds there. Make sure it's as tight as it'll go. Okay, I thought the shutoff was at 90, the shutoff is at 100. I was like, uh-oh. No, she shuts off at 100 psi, and you can adjust it over here. I was watching these numbers climb, and it shot past where I thought it was supposed to stop was 90, but it stopped at 100. And you can adjust it over here. You turn it up or turn it down. And this is actually surprisingly accurate. Alright, so it looks like she's holding air. Here we go. Nope, she's not even hissing. She's holding air. The problem is this wing nut configuration is going to hit, I can tell. But I'll just have to be very careful with it. She's not even leaking. Normally I'm used to all my air compressors leaking when they stop. Everyone I've ever worked with has done that, but this one doesn't, so it scares me. Maybe it's just too small. Isn't that the cutest air compressor you ever did see? So no more picking it up and screaming like a schoolgirl when I see a bug crawl out from under it, and this handle does come off of here, because that's what I did. Chook! I don't know if you can tell, it's just plastic, and you can tell it's just kind of pinched up in here. But no, it survived one fall so far. $125 part. I had to order from Sears. My father helped me find it. I ordered it and replaced it. Put a little bit of that caulk on there, and it ain't leaking. It ain't leaking at all. That needle hadn't moved. Even that little bitty tank. So, cool. Now to fill up some tires. Nope. 3 pounds low. No biggie, but since I'm here, I'm gonna get this off here like killing myself. There we go. Those pops are water coming out of it. There. Alright. That's just from tonight, as far as I know. Okay, now. How can I lean this over? I'm just going to have to prop it up between the tool boxes. Oh well. It's better to have a small air compressor than no air compressor, I always say. And since I got no room to put it in a bigger one, then this one's going to have to do.